Hey, my name is Kalam. Today I am exploring a brand new AI tool. You can create anything like Instagram post, Facebook post, Instagram story, TikTok video, logo design, and video editing, and any other things. It's absolutely free. So this website name is Adobe Express. This is a beta version. So I want to create an Instagram post, create from scratch, and wow, you can see this is a Instagram post template. So I want to use a pictures example of business. Wow, here are the lots of template. It's absolutely free. So if I want to use this picture, just click here. You can see this is a perfect. Then you can edit anything. Example, put your image, put your logo, put your own name and anything. This is possible. If I change here, this is possible. So I want to go here. Other things, example of a TikTok video, logo design, and Facebook post, Instagram reel, poster, YouTube thumbnail, and video editing, and any others. It's absolutely free. Text to images. If you want to generate your own a QR code, just click here. And link your website and any others document. Then download. Example of if I want to facebook.com, then put here, just download. And this is a on QR code. Now these images I use anywhere. This doesn't matter. Convert to a PNG, JPG, PDF, SVG. This is all things are free. You can use right now. This link I will attach in the description below.